Welcome to Trade Alert HQ. Your financial freedom starts here. Imagine knowing exactly where to buy and where to sell stocks and crypto without spending countless hours of your valuable time glued to the charts. Whether you're a pro or just getting started, you're in the right place to take your trading to the next level. If you're just tired of missing out on big opportunities, feeling a bit lost in the traditional markets or crypto markets, or maybe you just need help learning how to manage your risk. If that's you, my friend, congratulations. You're in the right place and your worries are over. I'm Scott, and I left my corporate job in 2016 to dedicate my life to traveling and trading full time. On this channel, I work for you, helping you take control of your financial future. Trade Alert HQ drops 2 value-packed videos each week filled with real-time trade alerts, live trading sessions, and deep dives into crypto and traditional assets like your favorite stocks. And the best part? You can request your favorite stocks and altcoins for me to analyze for you. Let's take a look at a few examples. Number 1, look at this trade alert on MOG. MOG long alerted here at support. This trade is up 150% from entry. Let's look at Aerodrome Finance. This trade is up from entry about 100%, approaching the target now. Let's take a look at IMX. This trade is up from entry around 100% into resistance now. And then let's don't forget about traditional assets like stocks. Tesla trade alert right here around 150. This trade is up around 76%, and we're keeping an eye on this one to see if it reclaims this level. You get the idea. Real value in real time. Remember, my goal is to help you. That's why I value your comments and your questions. Please comment below so I can get back to you. Remember, this channel is about making smarter trades, not just about making more trades. And this is going to get you one step closer to your financial freedom. Feel free to share the channel. If you're ready to gain that extra edge in your life, subscribe now with notifications on so you don't miss a thing. We'll be on this journey together, and we're going to have a lot of fun along the way. Remember, your financial freedom starts here. I'll see you soon in the next video.